What's up everybody? Today I'm in Japan. I'm going to be trying one of their popular fast food chains called MOS Burger. Alright, let's go.
It's one of Japan's most popular fast food chains. Known for its fresh ingredients, unique flavors, and made-to-order burgers, MOS Burger is a favorite among locals and travelers alike. At first glance, the menu was a bit overwhelming and I wasn't sure where to start. It was nice they had an English version.
MOS Burger.
I tried to order different items including this Japanese black beef burger. The total for all these items came out to be around $20. The dining area was located upstairs. It seemed like it would be a challenge to carry everything upstairs and not spill anything. For a fast food restaurant, it was surprisingly more modern than I expected. The drinks came out first. We got a melon soda and oolong iced tea. The oolong iced tea tasted fine. Shortly after, all the food arrived. It looked like a mini Thanksgiving feast. My first burger, I'm going to start off as the classic MOS Burger. First impression, the beef tastes different than the one I'm used to. The onions and tomatoes were good and the bread was a good sponge texture to it. Next up was the Wagyu Burger. The teriyaki sauce was a little overpowering for me. There was a slight piece of wasabi, but I like wasabi so I didn't mind. The patty was also a good portion. Next up was the shrimp burger. The sauce wasn't overpowering, and I liked the texture and flavor of everything else. It tasted a lot healthier than the McDonald's shrimp burger. I'm excited for this yakiniku burger because it has rice for the buns on the outside. Beef was very tasty and juicy, kind of like the sukiyaki beef. There was a little bit too much rice for me on this burger. The ratio of rice to beef was too much for me. The fries were good and crisp, but could use some seasoning. The onion rings were also good, but could use some more flavor. A cool thing I noticed, there's this drain you can pour your drinks before you toss your cups into the trash can. Overall, the quality of the burger is pretty good for the price, but I wasn't a fan of the texture of the meat on the classic patties.